If you are thinking about getting divorced and you're at retirement age and you're wondering, how is this going to work? Because I was a stay-at-home mom the majority of my career and I planned on drawing on my spouse and now we're getting divorced. If that marriage lasts at least 10 full years, so don't be like all the people that call me and say, we were married 9 years. I had a lady last week. We were married 9 years and 11 months. If you want to know the applicable date, the stop line, that is the date the judge signed your divorce decree, the date by the judge's signature. So if you were married 10 full years, you'll be able to draw off your former spouse if you're planning on getting divorced. But if your spouse is not drawing Social Security at the time of your divorce, you have to wait 2 years. They put a 2-year wait before you can draw as a divorced spouse. So people are like, well, what am I supposed to do then? If you were a stay-at-home mom and you truly have no credits, you might have to go on Medicaid, right? But if you worked a little bit, you were in and out of the workforce, you have enough credits to get some Social Security, even though it's little, you could draw your own. And then when the 2 years is up, then you could file for spousal Social Security benefits off your divorced spouse's work record. Doesn't take anything away from him. He won't be notified that it's going to happen. It doesn't hurt him or his new wife. So at the time that you want to file for those spousal benefits, you can just do it online. Go to socialsecurity.gov. Kind of think it's easier, especially if you live close to a location. Go in person. Take a copy of your marriage license. Take a copy of your divorce decree, and they can help you apply. So if you know the date is coming up and January 1st is the 2-year deadline, you can actually apply 4 months before the deadline. So it starts right there on January 1st. So plan ahead, get your documents. They have to be originals, not Xerox copies. So if you don't have originals, you have to go get a certified copy. You might have to go back to that courthouse or the Department of Vital Statistics. They call it different things in different counties. Get a copy of the marriage license and the divorce decree so you are ready. What if you were divorced from 2 people? Very common. No shame. I got 2 exes. So you not really sure which one would be more advantageous for you to draw spousal benefits of. Take both marriage licenses and both divorce decrees. Social Security will be able to look up their work record and tell you which to file on to give you the highest benefit in retirement. If you have more questions about this, you'll have to call the Social Security Administration. Our team, our family, the Medicare family, we can help you with the Medicare, the health insurance part of this. And if you need help, go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.